Did you know that Costco is up more than 7,000% since its IPO back in the mid 1980s, as consumers have fallen in love with the idea of saving money by buying in bulk? Did you know that in 2023 and in 2024, Costco stock has made new all-time highs? Did you know that from the lows in May of 2022, Costco is up more than 75%? So, what does the remainder of 2024 hold for Costco's? Let's get into it before we continue with the analysis. So, what does 2024 hold for Costco? There are encouraging signs that the year ahead will bring more good news regarding growth. In February, Costco announced that comparable store sales were up a solid 5% through late January. Notably, Costco is experiencing a big rebound in its e-commerce segment, which tends to sell more consumer discretionary products like furniture and jewelry. Strength here suggests that shoppers might be ready to spend more aggressively in 2024 after reining in their budget last year. I think this year we're going to see consumers continue to rein in their budget because we're going to go into recession. Now, Costco investors should keep their expectations in check when it comes to the chain's profit potential. Sure, in 2024 will likely bring the company's first membership fee increase in over 5 years. What's the significance of this membership fee increase? That's how Costco makes most of their profits, from membership subscription. Now, Costco stock is priced at an elevated premium that might limit shareholders' returns from here. Its price to sales ratio of over 1.3 is nearly double Walmart's valuation. It's also the highest premium that investors have paid for the stock in the past decade. So there's a clear risk of paying too high for price for the stock, in other words. There's every reason to expect Costco's business to achieve record sales and earnings in 2024, just as the business has through most of the past decade. Yet investors shouldn't expect those operating wins to translate directly into further market-beating returns for the stock, given Costco's pricey valuation today. All right, so what the article is pretty much saying is that the stock is somewhat overvalued, and relative to its peer, at least Walmart, it's double its current valuation relative to Walmart. So when I look at the weekly chart, you had this green candle, basing candle, and then another green candle. Again, you don't want to buy the top, right? Based on the article, it is overvalued. And so when I look at current price, I look down and to the left. I see what was a previous high, which pulled back to the $640 level, eventually broke through, but retested what was the previous all-time high. When it retested, it created this next leg higher. So this tells me that there is a resistance support band at that $680 level. And so if price can pull back that would be a great opportunity to take the next leg higher, going out, say, multiple years, if you're looking at Costco as a position trade. Now, scrolling down to the daily chart, we can see price continues to respect this 26-day moving average. We have the 50-day moving average trailing that, the 100-day, and the 200-day. So this tells me that momentum is still to the upside, which means that a pullback is inevitable at some point. Here you had a rallying price, two basing candles, then rally out. So you have a little level of interest right here at the $710 level. But for me, this is the level. If I was putting it on a position trade, looking out multiple years, where I would love to load up on Costco, the price is expensive, so I would look to the option markets to get in at a cheaper price. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.